Lawyers once again take the city of Boise to court over its no camping ordinance. Representing two homeless men who once stayed in Boise, the plaintiffs argue the law criminalizes sleeping on streets. A quick overview of the ordinance: officers can ticket anyone camping overnight in public areas. However, those tickets are only given if there is room at a local shelter and the person is eligible to stay there for the night. Reporter Jake Melder heard the arguments in court. He's joining us live in studio with the latest.
What was discussed in court was a bit surprising. Instead of focusing on the merits of Boise's ordinance, the legal team challenging it focused on how it was implemented. But their argument is built on shaky ground. The court battle over Boise's no camping ordinance goes back to 2009. Following court orders, the city changed the code to its current form, and the city lawyers are confident it is airtight. Lawyers arguing for two homeless men say that the way it works out violates the First Amendment. And they make 2 points. First, the shelters are often over capacity and fail to offer beds. Second, after a couple weeks spent at the rescue mission's shelter, homeless are required to participate in Christian services. The plaintiffs say someone is either forced to choose between participation in a religion they don't follow or get a ticket. And they argue that the law violates the First Amendment's freedom of religion. There's only one problem.
That's not true.
The rescue mission says the 17-day grace period exists, but when the deadline comes,
we want people to start working with a case manager. We want them to start getting into programs, not necessarily Christian programs, but work study, GED, work accountability.
And the 17-day period is not really a hard rule.
It's a guideline.
But what about the shelters filling up? Also untrue, apparently.
We are not at capacity at the river. We are not at capacity at City Light, and we never have been.
The plaintiffs denied our request for an interview, but they'll be back in court in a couple weeks. Leaders at the rescue mission say they have nothing to hide and welcome tours of the facilities. You just need to give them a call and set it up. So far, we've been unable to find any instance of police ticketing campers when the shelters are unable to take them. Live in studio, Jake Melder, 6 on your side.